Alright, so I think this is going to be our final update for a while. We still got a few things to do landscape wise and fence, but basically I drew this on a sketch pad about 8 months ago and brought it to life. So we bought an existing building. This building right here went all the way past where this white part is, and it was just a storage building with a garage, and I bought it. It had 2 lots here, and anyway, I've had a bunch of changes and plans on this deal, but it's about done. I was gonna do a quick walkthrough. I got the glass garage door there, finally all that finished. I did above the glass garage door, those were bond beam blocks, and they were just standard gray blocks. We did surface bond cement on them, and while it was still wet, I took a little stick and drew the little wood knots and stuff in them to make it look like a wood beam. So, but it's concrete, so there's nothing to rot. And that's solid poured concrete. Formed that up. I poured it. Got a TV outside. We still got a little outdoor kitchen here. Ice chest was leaking. Got fans on the carport slash porch is what this is. Front porch here, we still got the tongue and groove pine on it. Check it out. One thing on these too, see I did that like a beam as well, but we did chamfered sill blocks. I designed these and had the plant cut them, make them specific for this project, and I drew what chamfer I wanted and everything, and I sent it to the plant. They cut that. So pretty much these windows, they just mount with concrete screws through the frame of the window, and you just screw into the block, into the concrete block. So you have no wood around these windows. Nothing can rot. Nothing to maintain, nothing to take care of. Pretty cool deal. It's something that, you know, goes with Omni Block, but same thing here. Did the chamfered sill blocks. Windows mount directly flush into the block hole. Use Window World to make my windows. They were custom made. It really is not any more expensive than standard windows, but here's the inside. We ended up leaving the block exposed for the most part. We did the mini split air conditioners, one in this living room and one in each bedroom. It's a kitchen. It's a small kitchen, but it's just a good little weekend rental or weekend cabin getaway, whatever, down here on the Brazos River. There's the glass garage door. It's probably so far everybody's favorite part of this house. It opens up, and you've got kind of a patio here, obviously. Bar stools out there. Anyway, cool feature. I'll probably do that on the next build as well. Industrial. That's the island I bought at Home Depot. It's an industrial workbench. It's got drawers on one side. But anyway, living room. This is where the old storage building started, and where I added on from here forward. We got a hall bathroom here, and then you got 2 bedrooms at the end of the hall. 1 bedroom right here, master closet. This door right here was actually the front door to the building. So you walked in, and this was one big open storage room, and I framed up all these walls and turned it into bedrooms and bathrooms. The shower. I did. Master bathroom, vanity. The vanities are back to back, so this master is what you call like a hotel style. The sink is in the master, but the toilet and shower are separate. This sink backs up to the hall bathroom sink. So this was your front wall of the building. I put all my new plumbing on that outside just to make it easier. But and then we framed up another bedroom here. Nice big walk-in closet in these rooms. Guest room. That's about it. Nothing like 10 months, 9 months of projects. So I guess it's about time to start on the next one. Omni Block, if you got any questions about it, this is what obviously I sell. I work for this company as well as doing ranch real estate. I work for Omni Block and I rep their product. And coolest part about it is in this living room, so that wall right there is a block wall. We just did sheetrock compound, joint compound over the top of the block and painted it. And so when you walk up to it, you've got concrete block right here. And at the corner, I just taped it off when I did it, and I mudded this wall. And that's concrete block. It's concrete block, both of them. It's just, so if you don't like the exposed block look, and you want to have some painted walls, you can do that. You just sheetrock texture straight over the top of it. And but anyway, the goal going forward is we're gonna try to keep building some Omni Block houses, showing people what you can do with this product and how it works. And it's a integrally insulated concrete masonry unit. And this is what they look like. Got some set over here. Just got foam inserts. If you hadn't seen it before. So, just like a CMU, but you drop the foam inserts in as they lay it. So, this whole wall has foam inserts in it, which is insulating the block. And you've got offset crosswebs there and there and there and there, so that heat doesn't travel straight across the block. But a lot of people ask about the windows is the biggest question, and a lot of people ask about the how do you mount doors, and the answer is you just screw the door frame. I put a piece of Trex deck behind this. It'll never rot. It'll never rot or fall apart. So I took Trex deck, put it against the block, screwed that to the block with concrete screws, and then I mounted my door frame to the Trex deck. So it's a 40-inch opening on this doorway. And so by the time you put a piece of Trex on that side and a piece of Trex on this side, and you shim it out, your door frame now gets narrow enough that you can screw straight to those Trex deck pieces, and you got yourself a door frame. So anyway, that's the Omni Block River House.